Hello and welcome to East Central's WebWorks program. The purpose of this video is to identify a few features of WebWorks and help you navigate the program more smoothly. I first want to mention that the web address for WebWorks is located here at the top, webwork.ecok.edu/webwork2. I will point out that the WebWork 2 is definitely required. So, now that we've seen that, I'd like to show you how to enter a class. We'll use this class for our example here. We click on the class that we're in, Math 1513, and we enter our username. We then have to enter a password. Our username is our ECU student username. Our password is actually our student number. So once you enter those two, you will come in and you will see that you are welcome to college algebra. The particular student I'm working with here has missed the assignments. They've been closed, but that's not the end of the world here. We can still navigate these and show you what they look like. So we'll go into orientation homework set here, and we see along the side here there's some information about the homework set. This is going to become very important for some of us, and we see that there's problems that we can click on. There's lots of things to read here. These are available to all of you, so I will not read through this. But the orientation is very good for getting you set up. So I'm taking you back then to the homework sets. And we see that there are other little homework sets here. Along the side again, we see this set information. We see when the set is due and at what time. Please be aware of the due times. The clock does run a few minutes fast on the server. So when it says 8 o'clock, it's more like 7:55 that it is due. If we see over here that what we should be able to do when we do this homework set, we see these are links that we can click on. When we click on one of these links, it's going to take us directly to a Khan Academy video that explains that topic. So if you are unsure of how to do something, that's how you can find it. And you can readily navigate back just by using the back button. There's also a few things that WebWork will understand and maybe some useful pages for students here. One last thing I want to point out are the achievements, although it doesn't look like I have any. These things pop up, they're kind of fun. You'll earn a little extra things along the way, so you can always use these to get a little better grade. So keep those in mind that those are available. When you're doing a homework set, when you're doing a problem, you will try to put your answer in. So if we try to navigate this one, we need to multiply and simplify. So perhaps I think this is -5 x squared. Notice that little caret key. I got that by hitting Shift 6. And so I can always check and submit my answers infinite number of times. So you can keep trying these until you get them correct. And we'll see here that I actually got this one incorrect. So maybe I need to do a little more work here. I believe the next one is -8x. And computing in my head, 25 plus 25. Let's see if we can get that one right. So we still don't have the answer right. But we do see the answer preview here. So maybe we go back and we check our work a little here. We give the 5 to the 3, the 5 to the 4, and the 5 to the 7. And we give the -4 to the 5, the -4 to the 7, and the -4 to the 3. So I must have made a mistake somewhere. Clearly I don't see it. Oh, I see it now. Should be 23, huh? There we go. As you'll see, it will not take your answer until it's perfectly correct, right? This big green bar is the thing you're looking for. That's when you have everything correct. It can be very frustrating not to get the problem correct, but I do encourage you to try. We give you infinite submissions for a reason. So I hope this is a good introduction to WebWorks, and please log in regularly and try all the time. I will point out that there's a little button here for emailing instructor. That will come directly to me, and I can respond directly to you. So if there's any problems or any problems that don't work or things you think might be wrong, I can take a look at those. All right, thank you for your time.